Welcome to PC Vitamins Professional Repair. Today we've got an iPhone 6 Plus with touch disease. As you can see over here, it's booted on the DC power supply and there's no touch. On further inspection, we have discovered that this is a Chinese refurb board. Obviously they've made a plan, they've fixed it, and there's no touch. It's off the DC power supply. As you can see, there's Chinese stickers on there's Chinese labels there, as you can see over there.
They changed this IC and they already played in this area when they changed, I think, the touch ICs, both of them. So we're gonna see what's going on.
Hey guys, this is the touch IC area that they've already reballed and replaced. As you can see, we're going to actually remove that and see what's underneath that. See what's underneath that chip, because we actually don't know what the Chinese have done. You can clearly see that that was lead-free solder, leaded solder, meaning that this chip has been replaced. Hey, done the jump already? Hey!
Missing ball right here. Missing leg right here. So it has to be a leg right here. They took it out and they make a jumper straight without UV glue or anything. Just like, and I think.
Zoom over to the XW quickly.
It's ground, but
it's ground. Let's redo it and put a new chip on. Maybe.
did you see this right here? I never noticed this. It's off already. It's true.
Bring the camera down. Can't see that. There's missing components, not from us, from someone else. Good one, brother. Good one. Tell me about the JC Iron buttons. Wow, yeah. Wow, we're doing this. So tell me, what did you do? You have to program with the JC Iron buttons. You have to actually program. Then it'll work perfectly. Hong Kong JC doesn't work. Interesting, brother. Hey, guess you figured something out of these JC buttons. Well done. Guys, if you want JC buttons, available at PC Vitamin. Your home button has stopped working. We can order you a JC home button for 1,000 Rand. Please let us know. The earliest convenience. No. Are we gonna test that pad to see if that jumper is fine? Or is there a break already? Oh wow, guys, they didn't even do the jumper, they just did solder. Basically. And it appears to me that the jumper is actually, yeah. Is that in the wrong place?
Oh, they
didn't do a jumper.
never scratches properly.
Let's fix what the Chinese broke. That wire off, and we're going to show you what it looks like. Everything is fine. Gonna double check with ZXW as well.
Everything is 042.
042. We're gonna test again. And that is the correct measurement.
Sometimes it doesn't matter if it's 0.4 something, as long as 0.4 exactly.
Exactly, that should be fine.
Bridge, it's fine. It's connected. So now we're gonna do some UV glue.
UV glue available at PC Vitamins. And probably multiple other vendors, but hey. Glue. We're just going to stick it there. Just leave it there for like 5 minutes so it can go nice and hard, and we'll be back, guys. As UV glue is dried, we're back. Let's just get rid of just make it nice so that the pad can be revealed. The rest of the trace can stay as is. I just want to give you an indication, guys, of how small this component actually is. This is us looking at it from far. I'm going to zoom in. As you can see, guys, it's very small. You can't even see that, and you can see it's still Chinese. In all case, let's continue. Guys, the dot is the location. If you guys don't know this and you need to rework, etc. lead free solder, so it takes a little bit longer for it to melt, but we're done. Let the board cool. Let's check all the other things aren't knocked off the board, and we're done. Visit our store at Shop U169, Eastgate Mall, Entrance 6, Johannesburg, for any touch disease iPhone 6 Plus issues. Normal current consumption. We have Apple logo. Do we have touch? Let's see. Look at that, guys, we got touch! Yay! That means that our job is done. The Chinese, don't get me wrong, Chinese technicians are really good, but in this situation, they never ran the jumper, thus causing no touch issues. Thanks, guys. Like, subscribe. See you in the next video, guys.